Did you know that AI is expected to replace 80% of jobs in the next decade? But should we be scared or excited? Today we are diving deep into the AI revolution, the jobs are risk, and how you can stay ahead. Let's get started. AI is advancing at lightning speed, from chatbots replacing customer service agents to self-driving cars, eliminating the need for drivers. Technology is changing everything. But here is the real question. Is AI taking over or is it simply shifting how we work? Stick around till the end because I will also reveal the top AI proof skills you need to survive in this new era. Let's start with the jobs that are disappearing the fastest. According to experts, these professions are at high risk. Customer service agents. AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Gemini are already handling millions of customer queries daily, faster and cheaper than humans. Data entry in administrative work. AI can process data at speeds no human can match. Tools like automation bots are replacing traditional office jobs. Drivers in delivery jobs. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are on the rise, putting millions of jobs at risk. But before you panic, let's talk about the industries where AI is not replacing, but enhancing jobs. Here is the exciting part. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating brand new career opportunities. AI assisted healthcare. Doctors now use AI for faster diagnosis, robotic surgeries, and even personalized medicine. But AI will not replace human doctors. It will only make them more efficient. AI in creative fields. Think AI will replace artists and content creators? Not really. AI tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly help designers, writers, and filmmakers produce content faster. New tech jobs, data analysts, AI ethics consultants, and prompt engineers are just a few examples of jobs that didn't even exist 10 years ago. So, how can you stay ahead of AI and future proof your career? Here are three things you should do right now. Learn AI and automation tools. Even basic knowledge of AI can give you an edge. Start by learning ChatGPT, Python, or automation software. Develop soft skills. AI can't replace critical thinking, leadership, or emotional intelligence. Skills that are key in any industry. Become adaptable. The best way to stay ahead is to keep learning. AI is evolving fast, so those who adapt will always stay relevant. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will replace your job or do you see it as an opportunity? Drop a comment below. And if you want to learn more about AI tools that can help you grow, check out my next video here.